Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the audio or video at a sign error you might be coming across on your Windows computer. So if you noticed that just doesn't seem to matching up properly in today. So guys, ju- let's jump straight into it guys. Let's fix that. Go to start menu, search menu and type device manager. Open it. Here, go to sound, video and game controller. Click the arrow mark. High definition audio drive. Right click on it. Update driver. Browse my computer for driver, locate and install a driver manually. Let me pick from a list of available drivers of my computer. This list will be shown available drivers compatible with the device and all drivers in the same category as the device. Click on it. Click the high definition audio drive and click next. Click yes. Installing this drive. Windows has been finished installing the drive for this device. Close out of care. Close it. The next method is want to go to search menu and type troubleshoot. Open it. Go to additional troubleshooters. Here you need to go play audio. Click on it. Run the troubleshooter. Detecting problems. Yes, open audio enhancement. Click yes. Now you can enable the sound loudness and room corrections, visual surrounded. You can enable and you can preview sound. Click OK and close the troubleshooter. That's it for today's video guys. Hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching my video guys. Give me a thumbs up and thank you.